Okay, today we'll move to the next unit that is endocrine system and glands. Okay, it's under your physiology theory. So today we will see we will discuss on the topic of endocrine system. Okay, so this is the endocrine system. Okay, it will be similar for both male and female, but the thing is in the reproductive part it's a quite different means male and the female, no? It's quite different. All these are the glands. Okay, pineal glands, pituitary glands, and hypothalamus. I'll explain to you all these glands one by one. For now I'm just showing you the diagram of the glands. Okay, first is the pineal glands, then next is pituitary gland, hypothalamus, then here is a thyroid gland, and backside you will find parathyroid glands, then here thymus, then pancreas. Okay, then adrenal glands you will find right at the top of your kidney. Okay, then for male you will find in testicle, and for female you will find in the ovary. Okay, all this I'm explaining to you like this is the glance, you can see just a quick glance of the endocrine system. Okay, are you clear? Shall we move to the next slide? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is this endocrine system? Okay, this endocrine system, they are network of glands. Okay, so all these glands now, they are just like network. They used to connect each other, means they used to communicate each other by saying that what to say, by performing their own functions, means they are connected to each other. Okay, and what do? They make the hormones. Okay, they make hormones in each and every gland which will help to communicate each other. Okay, and we can find all this in almost every cell, organ, and function. Okay, so these are the glands. What will these glands do? They are just like a network. Okay, and this gland, what do? They produce hormones. All these glands now, all these pineal glands, pituitary glands, hypothalamus, they produce hormones. And what these hormones do? They perform their own functions, and they communicate with each other. Okay. Okay, did you understand the meaning of endocrine system or endocrine gland? Did you understand? Huh?
Ma'am.
Huh? Did you understand? Oh, I'll repeat. Okay. So this endocrine system. So this is the
Yes,
endocrine
ma'am.
system. Okay. Endocrine system. This you will find in several parts of your body. For example, pineal glands, pituitary glands, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus. All these are the names. I'll be discussing with you all this one by one. For now, you just know the name. Means you just know the name and you just see the picture. Okay. This is the adrenal gland. For male, you will find a bit different in the reproductive system. That is, you will find in testicles, and for female, you will find in the ovary. Okay. So this is about the endocrine system. So in this endocrine system, what will you get? This endocrine system, they produce hormones, okay, in your body, and they communicate with each other and perform their own functions. Okay, understand now? Do you understand?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the meaning of gland? So this one, this gland, na, it is an organ, and as I've already said, they produce hormones and do their own job. They do their own work. Okay, and these hormones, what will they do again? Which is produced by the endocrine glands. What will they do? they will go to your bloodstream. They make into your bloodstream. Means all these hormones again they will go to your bloodstream. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear? In simple, in simple words, you just know that means these glands, na, this endocrine gland, they produce hormones. They produce hormones and do their own function in their own way. Okay, and afterwards they supply it to the bloodstream. Means yeah, means they make into the bloodstream those hormones they supply. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So in simple words, I'm just explaining it to you. Okay. So as I've already said that these glands now they produce hormones. So what are the name of the hormones? Hypothalamus. Okay, hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenals, renal body, and ovaries you will find in female reproductive system, and testes or testicles you will find in the male reproductive system. So these are the hormones released in the human body, which we call it the endocrine system. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, let's move to the next. So what will this endocrine system do? They will make hormones that control your moods. Even your moods are also controlled by this endocrine system. Okay, so uh, this endocrine system they control your mood also, as well as they control your growth and development also. Okay, for metabolism also, and again for your organs and reproduction. All this it controls. Okay, your endocrine system they release hormones na, and these hormones what will they do? They will control your mood. Okay, and it is connected with your growth and development also. Again for your metabolism of your body. Again for the means for the growth and development of your organs, and again for they are responsible for your reproductive system also. Okay, so this is the first point. This is the first function you can say of the endocrine system. And second point is the same thing, controls on how the hormones are released. Means how the amount of hormones, how much it will release, this endocrine system will control it. Okay, how many hormones they will release in the bloodstream. All these things like the endocrine system will control it. Okay, and third point. And third point, what will you get? They will send those hormones in your bloodstream so that they can travel to other body parts. Yes, I have already said this one also, means these hormones, okay, they will go to your bloodstream, and afterwards they will go to other parts of your body. Means wherever it is supposed to go, now they will go to the those parts of your body. So so this is the three functions you can say. These are the three functions which you will find in the endocrine system. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear? This
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So I'll just say again. These hormones they are responsible for controlling of your mood. Okay, it controls your mood. Yeah, it's responsible for your growth and function. Okay, growth and development, and also for metabolism of your body. Okay, and also for the reproduction, and these endocrine glands now they will control the hormones like the total amount total amount of hormones it will be released. All this also it will control. And again the last one is what these hormones they will go into their bloodstream, and afterwards they will travel to different parts of your body. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
okay, I think Grafo you're having some network issues because your classmates can see it. Okay, okay, good then if you can see now. Okay, parts of the endocrine system. All these are just the repetition. Okay, so you can see that many glands make up the endocrine system, and the hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal glands, all these are in the brain. Okay, hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal glands are in the brain. Thyroid, parathyroid is in your neck. Thymus is in between your lungs. Adrenals on the top of your kidney, and the pancreas. This pancreas I have discussed yesterday in GIT track. Pancreas is found in behind your stomach, and ovaries, women, or testes are in the pelvic region. So these are the parts of the endocrine system. Are you clear?
Excellent.
Okay. 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 Now let's see the first one. That is the hypothalamus. Okay. Hypothalamus you will find in your brain. Okay. You will find in your brain. Okay, so this organ connects your endocrine system with the nervous system. Means what? This organ, no, this hypothalamus, it is connected with the nervous system. Nervous system, what is the function of nervous system? They controls your body functions. Okay, they are the master. They are the master system of your body. You can see this and nervous system. So this hypothalamus is connected with the nervous system. This nervous system, now there is different unit. I'll explain to you clearly. For now, you just know that the nervous system is the master. They
Okay,
control.
ma'am.
Okay.
Mm.
So hypothalamus you will get in your brain. So what will this hypothalamus do? This hypothalamus, they will they will send information to the pituitary gland. Okay, they will send information to the pituitary gland. You will find just below, just at the bottom of your hypothalamus. Okay, this is the hypothalamus. Just below it you will find the pituitary gland. So this hypothalamus, they will ask, or else they will inform, they will send information to the pituitary gland to stop making hormones. Means if it is over excessive, okay, if the hormones are getting like over excessive release in the bloodstream, they will ask the pituitary gland to control the amount of the hormones which will be released in the bloodstream. Okay, are you clear about the hypothalamus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is the pituitary gland. Here, just below the hypothalamus, you will find the pituitary gland. So this pituitary gland, what is the function? Let's see. It is the master gland. Okay, it is the master gland. It is the master gland in the this endocrine system. Okay, so what will they do? It use information it gets from your brain to tell other glands in your body what to do. As I've already said, since it is connected with the nervous system, okay, they will send an information. Okay, they will send information to other glands like uh, what is the total, means what type of hormones, what are the type of hormones they will release, and what is the amount of hormones they will release in the different parts of your body. Okay, and these pituitary glands now, they are responsible for making hormones also, including growth hormone. The name of the hormone is prolactin. Okay, the name of the growth hormone is prolactin. And oh sorry, not prolactin. Prolactin is responsible for breastfeeding. Means for breastfeeding mother, na, this prolactin is the name of the hormone which helps the pituitary gland to release it. Okay, and yeah, so prolactin is the name of the hormone which is responsible or which works in the woman, you can say. Okay, for releasing breast milk. Okay, for luteinizing hormone, and again, what will you get? You will find estrogen also. Estrogen in women and testosterone in men. All these are the name of the hormones. Okay, this estrogen is found in women, that is in the reproductive system. Okay, and testosterone you'll find in the men, which is responsible for male reproductive system. and this prolactin is responsible for releasing this one, breast milk, which is found in the lactating mothers, means in the woman. Okay, so are you clear about pituitary gland? Are you clear or not?
Repeat again. Repeat again.
Once
Okay,
again, can you?
okay. This pituitary gland you will find right below your hypothalamus. Okay, right below the hypothalamus you will find the pituitary gland, and this pituitary gland, they are the master gland. Why it is so called so? Because they controls, okay, they controls the, what to say, the overall glands, you can say the overall glands, whatever we will discuss later. They controls the glands. How do they control? They control by sending information saying that how many like hormones will be released. Okay, and also they are responsible for releasing hormones, for example growth hormones. Okay, they release growth hormones also, and as well as prolactin hormones. These prolactin hormones you will find in women. Okay, women who are breastfeeding, understand, breastfeeding, and this prolactin is responsible for producing milk. You will find mostly in breastfeeding mothers this prolactin. Okay, and also you can find in the this one, estrogen. This estrogen you'll find in women. Estrogen, which is responsible for reproduction. Okay, and testosterone you will find in men, that is in the reproductive system. Understand? Did you understand now? Are you
Yes,
clear?
yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's move to the next. Next is the pineal gland. Okay. So this pineal gland, what do they do? They makes a chemical called melatonin. Okay, melatonin. This is the pineal gland. Okay, all these gland, no, this hypothalamus, pituitary, you will find everything in your brain. Okay, including this pineal gland also. This pineal gland, what is the function of this pineal gland? They make a chemical called melatonin, and this melatonin, what do? They help the body to get ready to go to sleep. Okay, they are responsible for your sleeping pattern, you can say, or yeah. So this is pineal gland. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This pineal gland, it is found in the brain. Okay, they makes a chemical. They produce a chemical called melatonin.
Melatonin.
Uh, Melatonin. Okay, and this melatonin, what do? They are
We help
responsible for
body.
sleep. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Next is a thyroid gland. This is a thyroid gland. Okay. Somewhere you will find in the hyoid bone. We have discussed na, in anatomy, hyoid bone. Did you remember? Did you remember or not? Hyoid bone one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you will find means in that area. Okay, this thyroid. Thyroid you will find at the front part. Front. Okay, this is the front, or else you can say anterior part. Okay, so okay, now let's see. They make thyroid hormone, okay, which controls the metabolism. META will be, this metabolism spelling is incorrect. METABOLISM. So they are responsible for controlling the metabolism of your body. Okay, means how it will function. Okay, so This thyroid gland, they are responsible for metabolism of your body. Okay, you will find at the front part. Okay, just above your trachea, you will find this thyroid gland. And this thyroid gland, what will they do? They helps in metabolism of your body. Okay, shall we move to the
Yes.
next gland?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland you will find at the back. Okay, means this is your thyroid gland front view, and parathyroid you will find at the back. Means posterior side you can say. Okay. Okay, let's see now. This parathyroid gland, what will they do? They are a set of 4 small glands behind your thyroid. Means this yellow color, can you see or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will find 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they are 4. They are very small. Okay, they are 4, and you will find that they are of 4 glands behind your thyroid. Means at the back of your thyroid, you will find parathyroid, that is consisting of 4. Okay, and what will they do? These parathyroid glands, they are responsible for bone health. Okay, they makes your bone healthy. Understand? We have discussed now about bones in anatomy
Yes.
class. Yeah, so these parathyroid glands, they helps in making the bone healthy. Understand? And these glands, what will they do? They will control the level of calcium and phosphorus also. Okay, first they will, the first function is what? The first function is they make the bone healthy, and the second function is they control the level of calcium and phosphorus. Okay,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
clear about parathyroid? Parathyroid you will find at the back of your thyroid, consisting of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 glands, what is the function of these 4 glands? They will make your bone healthy, and also they
Mm,
will control
the
the
calcium.
levels of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, are you clear about parathyroid gland?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Okay, next is thymus. Thymus, where you will find in between your clavicle, you can say this clavicle. Did you remember, na, clavicle, shoulder girdle also you can say. Okay, in the middle you will just upside of your sternum. This is the thymus. Okay, in the middle part you will get at the midpoint. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's see about the thymus gland. Okay, so this thymus gland, what will they do? They makes white blood cells. Okay, WBC. They makes white blood cells, which is known as T lymphocytes. Okay, these T lymphocytes are mostly responsible for your immune system. Okay, so what will they do? These T lymphocytes, as it is the immunity system. Okay, immunity system means what? Means they will help you in protecting from various kinds of disease. Okay, they will fight back against virus, bacteria, which is harmful for your body. Okay, so these T lymphocytes, what will they do? They fight against infection and are crucial as the child's immune system develop. Means you will see this development in the child itself. Means during childhood time itself, you will see it will develop these T lymphocytes. But this T lymphocytes, it will shrink after puberty. But after the puberty, this the thymus, now they starts to shrink. They starts to go down. You can say after puberty. Okay. So this is the repetition. You don't need to see it. This is just the repetition. You need to see it.
Ma'am,
Huh?
lymphocytes or lymphocytes?
Lymphocytes. 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 Okay, this thymus gland, they are responsible for producing this one T lymphocytes. Okay, they make white blood cells, which is known as T lymphocytes. And these T lymphocytes, they are what? They are the immune system. Okay, the immune system, which you find mostly during childhood time, but they will go down or they will shrink after puberty. Okay, are you clear about thymus gland? Are you
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
You will find in the middle of your clavicle or above your sternum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's move to the next gland. Okay, next is the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands. Adrenal glands you will find above your kidney. So this is your kidney. So this adrenal glands you will find above your kidney. Okay. Okay, so let's see about adrenal glands. These adrenal glands, they are responsible for what? Fight or flight. Okay, fight or flight, they are responsible for it. Means they will fight back. Understand? And they release a hormone known as adrenaline. Adrenaline also we can say epinephrine also. Okay, they release a hormone named adrenaline, also known as epinephrine also. And these two glands, that is adrenal glands, they also makes hormones known as corticosteroids. Okay, corticosteroids, the name of the hormone released by these two glands, okay, is known as corticosteroids. And these corticosteroids, what will they do? They affect the metabolism and sexual function, among other things. Okay, they are responsible for metabolism and as well as for the sexual function also. Okay, and also other things. Okay, did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand adrenal glands? So for today
Yes,
we will discuss till adrenal glands, because if we discuss too much also again you all might forget now. So many glands are there. For today we will discuss till adrenal glands. Okay,
okay.
are you clear
Yes, ma'am.
with all the glands?
Yes, ma'am.
Pancreas is left, then ovaries, testes. Or else we will discuss everything today. Huh? You just say your opinion. Huh?
Three gland, three gland left, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. Next is pancreas. Okay. This pancreas I have discussed with you in yesterday's class also. They are responsible for the digestive system also. Okay, in the digestive system, what do? They produce insulin. You remember this pancreas? So this pancreas, what will you see? In this pancreas, you will see that they are responsible for both digestive system, okay, as well as their endocrine system also. In the digestive system, I have already discussed that they are responsible for making enzymes, okay, that breaks down the food, and they make hormone
Yeah,
called
yes.
insulin, okay. And this insulin, what do? They control the sugar level, okay, sugar level of your body by balancing the sugar level of your body. And also they produce glucagon, okay. And what will
Okay.
they do?
And what will they do?
They ensure, means they will see like how much how much amount, like they will how much amount of sugar it will pass into the bloodstream as well as the cells. Okay. Okay, did you understand this pancreas? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
explain again?
Okay, pancreas is responsible. Okay, pancreas is also a gland. Okay, which you find in active both in this one digestive system as well as endocrine system also. Okay, and this pancreas, what will they do? They release. Okay, they release a hormone called as insulin and glucagon. So these two, what will they do? They will see that like what is the total amount of insulin. Okay, what is the total amount of insulin it will pass into the bloodstream. It means they will keep the amount balanced. It won't be too less also, it won't be too many also, so it will be balanced, so that what to say, they will keep in the right amount. They will see to it. Okay, are you clear now? Is everyone clear?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is the ovaries. Ovaries, which you will get in the female reproductive system. So this is the ovary. Okay, these two. Okay, this is the two ovaries. So you'll find mostly in the woman. Okay, and this ovary, two hormones will be released, that is estrogen and progesterone. These are the name of the two hormones, okay, which will be released, estrogen and progesterone. So what
Ma'am,
is
what is estrogen?
hormone? Is the name of the hormone which is released by the ovary. Okay, it is the
Yes,
name of
ma'am.
the hormones. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And this ovary you will find in female reproductive system. Okay, you won't find in male reproductive system estrogen and progesterone. Different hormone will be present. I will explain to you in the next slide. For now, I'm talking about the female reproductive system. Okay, and these are the name of the two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which is released in the ovary. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yes, ma'am.
what is the function of these two hormone? They develop breast, means what to say, when a female, when a, you can say girl, means when they were just 1 2 years old, their breast size it didn't increase, isn't it? But with the help of this estrogen, the size of the breast will also increase. Okay,
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
so this hormone is responsible for this one, for developing the breast during at puberty time. Okay, and they regulate menstrual cycle also, means all the reproductive system part is included here, like for example increasing the size of the breast, then regulate menstrual cycle. Okay, menstrual cycle is responsible, these hormones are responsible for it, and as well as they will support pregnancy, means they will help you in what is so bearing a child or else pregnancy. Okay, okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the name of the two hormones which you'll find in the female reproductive system?
Estrogen and progesterone.
Progesterone. Okay, okay, let us
Yes,
go
ma'am.
to the next, that is testis. Testis, which you find in the male reproductive system. Okay, this
Yes, ma'am.
testis you'll find here. Okay, this you'll find here, and this testis, they release a hormone known as testosterone.
Yes,
Okay, they release a hormone which is named as testosterone. And what this testosterone, what do? They help them grow facial and body hair at puberty age. So means what they will have, with the help of this hormone. Okay, the males, they they usually starts growing hair. Okay, in like for example beard, you can say they started having beard, mustache. Okay, armpit hairs, all this. All these are responsible. All this hormone, no? They are responsible for it. And it also helps the penis to grow larger and plays a role in making sperm. So means what? This testosterone is responsible for reproductive system. Okay, reproductive system, you can say. They will help. They will help the male in making sperm also. Okay, for yeah. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in don't get confused. Okay, this testis you will find only in the male reproductive system, and ovary you will find only in the female
Female.
reproductive system. Other glands all are same. For example, pineal gland, hypothalamus. Now everything is same except the reproductive system partner. There you will
Okay.
find difference. Other than that, everything is same. Okay, are you clear, students, with the
Yes.
endocrine system? Okay. Okay. No questions, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, if it is clear, then let me ask you.
Mm.
Okay. Iban, Iban Rihun, Iban Rihun, Iban Rihun, can you hear me? Okay, Aseng Modi, Aseng Modi, Aseng, As, Aseng Modi, can you hear me? What happened? As soon as I started saying questions, no one is responding. Okay, the meeting will end after 5 minutes. So let us end the meeting now. Okay, in the next meeting, I will take your attendance. Okay, I will send you the
Okay,
link
ma'am.
again. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay.